Good morning, everybody. I'm Greg from Swanson's Vacuum. Today I thought we'd talk a little bit about the SEBO Felix vacuum cleaner. We've been getting a lot of hits on this lately, a lot of phone calls, and I can only assume it's because New York Times rated it the #1 upright vacuum of 2024. And there's a lot of good reasons. First and foremost, the build quality. Nothing is built as solid as a SEBO vacuum cleaner. Normally here in the store, we try to urge people to buy vacuums with a lot of metal parts. Not a lot of metal parts in SEBOs, but the quality of their plastic is insane. If you've seen any of my previous videos, you might have seen me jumping up and down on a SEBO X4. It's just really solid, really durable, high quality, yet lightweight plastics. Another reason you may be interested in a SEBO is the cleaning ability. They're very powerful, very high CFM rate on the floor, very high CFM rating on the hose. Super aggressive brushes, pretty much anything you throw down is going to take care of it. This is our simulated pet hair, and you notice we're starting to pick it up before we even reach it. It's also a smart vacuum cleaner. We have some controls here on the top. You have your height adjustment. You have your brush indicator. You have your brush on-off indicator, or brush protection indicator, I should say. If we get anything stuck in this vacuum cleaner, this little red light's going to come on. The nozzle's going to shut itself off. You remove the obstruction, turn it back on. That's all you do. This little guy here will allow you to shut the brush roller off. Now we've turned off the brush roller. Bare floor is clean. We're going to go back to the carpeting. Now we're back in carpet mode. What I mean when I say this is a smart vacuum cleaner, it's going to know if your vacuum cleaner is not set properly. For example, if I vacuum on this carpeting, a little red light comes on. That's telling me I probably need to check my height adjustment. Go down to number 3, the light goes off. If the light stays on continuously, no matter what height adjustment you're on, it probably means you need to change the brush roller, which is usually after about 4 or 5 years. And the nice thing about SEBO, they allow the customer to replace their own brush roll. There's no tools required. This is also handy if you just want to clean the pet hair out of your brush roll. Just pull this off, get a roller twist, pull, there you go. It's that simple. Reinstallation, drop the brush roller in, locks into place, replace your end cap, lock it again, and you're back on your way. You also notice we have a little clean out door here on the bottom. Get a napkin, a paper towel, what have you stuck in there. No need to bring it into us to unclog it. If it's going to get clogged, that's where it's going to get clogged, and that's easily accessible. Now, the nozzle we have on this unit works just fine on bare floor. My preferred method of cleaning a bare floor is to have a bare floor brush with a soft bristle. That's going to get the super fine particles up off the floor, even fine dust. The SEBO Felix Premium does come with a dedicated bare floor tool. Well, like I say, the power head works just fine. Just turn the brush roller off. If you want to do a really good job, really thorough job, I'd recommend using this. So what we're going to do, disconnect the power head and connect our bare floor tool. This is called a parquet floor tool. instantly picks up the debris, and there's literally nothing left there. In addition to having a parquet brush, you can also convert the Felix into a canister vacuum cleaner. So we simply remove the nozzle, lower the handle, and now we have a portable vacuum cleaner. You can picture yourself using this on the stairs, cleaning the couch. You're going to have a duster brush for the hard surface and an upholstery tool for cleaning your couches and your stairs. So it's very versatile. Will probably be the last vacuum you ever buy. This is not a vacuum you throw away after 2 years. It's not a vacuum you throw away after 10 years. This will probably end up with someone in your family at some point. You know, they just don't wear out. Another thing I like about the Felix or any SEBO vacuum cleaner is its air filtration. SEBO uses what's called S-class air filtration. This is a European standard for measuring the air emissions. The smallest particle that can escape this machine is 0.3 microns. For comparison, that's 100 times smaller than the human hair. So virtually nothing gets out. And how we achieve this, we have a super high filtration disposable bag. This will be more than adequate for most people with allergies, just from the bag system it uses alone. We also have a pre-filter underneath here, a microfilter that catches any superfine particles that may escape through the paper bag. And if that's not enough, the outside of the vacuum cleaner, this is all super high filtration material. This outer bag, you're probably going to change it after about 5 years. We sell them in the store. You just have a series of snaps here you take off, peel it off, reconnect, and you're good to go. Bag's easy to install. Press it down till you hear a satisfying snap, and you're back in business. Super long, pliable cord. It's not the same material you'll find in a typical vacuum cord. It's very soft, it's very rubbery. Very seldom do we replace SEBO cords. SEBO also backs this vacuum cleaner with a 7-year motor warranty. However, if you purchase your SEBO from a certified service center, which Swanson's is, it's bumped up automatically to a 10-year warranty.